So welcome again. We have seen how to install Bluestacks on a computer or a laptop. Make sure your laptop is a touch screen, otherwise you won't be able to draw cartoons very well. We have seen how to install FlipaClip on a laptop using Bluestacks. So you start by installing Bluestacks, then you install FlipaClip. You just search it, then install, and you'll be able to launch it. So let me launch. So Bluestacks allows you to run any app or game that is designed for Android phones on your laptop. So FlipaClip is only available on Android and iOS. So on your laptop, you just install Bluestacks. It will help you now to run. It will help you to run FlipaClip. So let me open. So I'm opening FlipaClip on my laptop. It's a touchscreen ThinkPad X280. If you have a laptop that can flip 360, the better. So let's wait for it to open. So today we are going to go through the FlipaClip interface. We'll see what we can do with it. Then after that, now we will start creating our animations, and then we will do a complete project for animation. So there we have our FlipaClip. As you can see, it's the same interface you have on the phone. So let me expand that so that we can see very well on the full screen. So I'm running FlipaClip on my laptop. Again, as I say, you need to have Bluestacks to run this app. I don't want to do this right now, but you can let them. So today we are going to go through the interface. We see what it offers and what we are able to do with it. So as you can see, this is a very simple interface, user-friendly, and it caters for both the beginners and even experienced animators. Then you can be able to create Rico animations kind of project. So we'll be going through that, sticky man animations. So as you can see, we have a home screen where we have project gallery. So you have our projects starting with the recent. So let's close this Magic AI cancel. Let's close this. So you have a project gallery where you can see your projects. Then below that, we have button for adding new projects. So we click on that. So this button allows you to create new project. So once you click that, it allows you now to put a project name, the name of your project. We can call this maybe bouncing ball. Just a name that you can remember. Then you can choose background. For us, we'll just leave the way it is. Then the format of your project, you can choose a canvas size. Depending on the project you are creating, it could be a YouTube project, 1080 by 1920 by 1080. Then you have Instagram, you have TikTok, and you have other formats. For us, we'll be much interested with YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So canvas size. Then we have frames per second, where you can set the number of frames to be drawn within 1 second. For now, let's leave it as default 12. So So now let's click create project. So it opens a drawing canvas, which is a central part of the interface where you do your drawings. This is where you do your drawings. Like I can draw a circle or anything. I can also undo. So this is the drawing canvas. Then you can zoom in. Let me draw something. Then we see you can zoom in. As I told you, my laptop is a touch screen. So you can zoom in. Let me undo that. So you can always zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out by just dragging the screen. Touch the screen with 2 fingers. Then you either pull outside or pull inside. As you notice, that's why I said if you're running this program on a touch screen, you should be able to do everything that's available on the mobile app. Let me undo. So that's the drawing canvas. Then you have a toolbar on the left side. So on the left side, sorry, let me just go back again. Let's call this bouncing ball. So on the left side, we have our toolbar, which has brushes. You can choose from different brush types. If you click on it, on the brush, the first one, on the right side now you have options to set for your brush, where you can set different sizes. You can even set opacity settings. So you have pen, sketch, airbrush, there are many. You can always select the one you want, including pen. So that's on the brush. Then we have color through the paint. So for each brush, then you can set up the color and the size. You also have other tools which you come to. At the bottom, you have option for audio, undo or redo. If you want to copy, you can copy your drawing and paste. Then we have timeline, then play button and layer. So on the toolbar, we also have our. Let me first draw something. We have eraser here, which you can use to erase whatever you have drawn. Then you can set on the right side different sizes. You can also add a ruler. Let's go to the brush and first draw. Let's say we want to change the shape or move this shape. You can do. Then you can just draw the object you want to highlight. Then you can change the settings. You can pick one corner and drag, rotate. You can even decide even change the size. And at the bottom you have different options, like you can flip horizontally, vertically. You can erase, and you can always erase whatever you have drawn. Then we have a paint button, paint bucket. Let's draw a circle. Okay, it's full. Let me erase these. Then draw again. Just to demonstrate how you use a paint bucket, you can select a color. Then you can use that to fill in. Tap. So that's the paint bucket. Then you have a text tool where you can use it to just draw text. So when you tap on it, then on the right side you click the add, then you can type your text. Text to add. Then you click insert. That text will be inserted. Then you can drag it anywhere you want using touch screen. You can also change font. Whichever font you want. Let's say it's Rockwell. You can also change the size of the text. And you can also change the color of your text. Let's say you want in another color. Just like that. Then you have additional options like smudge and blur. So we'll come to that when we are doing our cartoon. So again, let's go to that. Smudge. Go to the marquee tool, select, then erase. So below that, below our drawing canvas, we have frame by frame navigation. You can add a new frame. You can create as many, and each frame will have a specific drawing. Like here, sorry, let me use a brush. I can draw a circle, then go to the next frame. As you notice, you can preview what you did in the previous frame. That's called onion cleaning, which is critical for animator. It lets you see a faint image of the previous and next frame, making it easier for you to draw smooth transition. Like here, let's say I wanted this circle to just stretch upwards. Then I go to the next frame, the third frame. Here I want it to squeeze in. So if I go to frame 2, I can see the previous. From frame 1, I can see the previous because this is the first frame. And if you play, you can see now your animation playing. So that's the role of onion screen, where you can view the previous frame. On the 3 dots at the top, you can do additional settings like project settings, frames viewer. You can see your frames, the ones that you have drawn. So let's go back, go to the settings. You can enable or disable onion screen. As you can see, you can also add grids to show you grids. Magic Cut, which is an AI feature. So this is an AI feature to edit images through FlipaClip. So let's close that. Then you have other additional features like you can add image, add video, and make movie. So once you create your animation in your computer, just click on the 3 bars, click make a movie, give the name of your movie. As I said, you can change from here the settings for your video, canvas size. Then if you have a paid version, pro version, you can always remove the watermark. And these are the payment terms, either yearly or monthly, and there are no ads when you subscribe. So once you click create movie, you give the details. Then at the bottom it will show you the frames per second, number of seconds for your movie, and the total number of frames. Then you can click make movie. It will export that movie into your laptop. Right now I'm using my laptop. If you're on your phone, it will export to your phone. Then you can directly upload either to YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. Remember, you'll be monetizing our cartoon on Facebook using ads. Also on YouTube using ads, and TikTok you can monetize using followers. When you reach 10,000 followers, they can gift you, or you can even go live and showcase your cartoon. As people watch, you can also request them to give live gifts. And I think there are also countries where advertisements are supported. You can also click on more to see other additional options you have. You can set to file manager, that is on your phone. Right now, as I said, Bluestacks is more of a simulator for your phone, so you can save it there. You can send to Windows where you save cartoon on your computer directly. If I select documents or downloads, then select the folder, then my cartoon will be exported to that folder. So that's it on interface for FlipaClip. In the next tutorial, we will now create a bouncing ball animation to be our first project. Then after that, now we start doing the Rico animation kind of movies, where you create a 2D cartoon animation. Then we'll use different tools as we have seen to manipulate our drawing. We'll also do voiceover where needed. We can also use third-party software, but always check whether that party software you're using for voiceover allows you to monetize on YouTube. If it doesn't, then there are many other ways you can generate that voiceover. We can also use sound effects. It's not necessarily you talk in a cartoon. You can also use voiceover. You can also use sound clips. So let's meet in the next one, and remember I'm using my Lenovo ThinkPad X280 laptop, which is a touch screen. If you have another laptop, as long as it is a touch screen, you can use it for these animations. I would propose if you can get a laptop that can open screen all the way to a 90 degrees, that is flat, the better, because now you can draw like on the tablet. Or if flip, you can flip that screen 360 degrees, the better. So with that, remember to subscribe, like and share with your friends so that we also learn how to draw with a FlipaClip. As I said in the previous tutorials, I have trained how to make money online. My tutorials are more detailed tutorials where I give you step by step and you see every step in action. If it is how you make money, I take you through whole step, like I've done for TikTok and Sound.me. So I show you how to register on TikTok. So I show you how to register on Sound.me, accept campaigns, create a video. I actually show you practically how I create videos, how I add those sound campaigns, how I mute my original sound for the video, that is the recorded sound. Then I show you how to export, upload on TikTok, copy that link into Sound.me, and any view that comes in, you see even me making money. And when I reach $5, I've shown you how to withdraw. So it's real time. I also show you how, if you have any issues or queries, how you contact Sound.me. So if you're interested on that, be sure to check this channel. I've also shown you how to use AdSense and AdSterra on blogger.com, which is a free blogging platform, and also on WordPress using free available hosting platforms, or if you need a paid platform, which to use, and how you plug in those advertisements and you start making money, and how you withdraw that money. I've also shown you how to create YouTube channel, do content, activate for monetization using YouTube ads, and how you make money and how you withdraw that money to your bank. So this channel is purely how to make money with different options. Like now I will show you how you can create cartoons and how you make money now with these cartoons. So let's meet in the next one, and thank you so much for your support. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate your support, and there are other many ways you can support my channel. Just check the link in the description. Thank you so much, and let's meet in the next one.